Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we'll be talking about a very practical and valuable topic for anyone who loves printing, collecting, or selling stickers. How to preserve color stickers so they don't fade over time. Even if you've invested in great design, printing materials, and ink, your stickers may still peel, fade, or wrinkle quickly if not stored and used properly. 1. Why do stickers fade? Let's understand why color stickers lose their vibrancy. UV rays from sunlight are the top reason for fading colors. Exposure to water or moisture damages ink and adhesive. Daily friction from handling, e.g., on phones, bottles, wears out the print. Low-quality materials, cheap ink and poor decal paper don't last long. 2. Golden rules for long-lasting sticker colors. A. Use high-quality sticker paper. Choose PP or PVC vinyl for long-term use. Clear vinyl or laminated paper adds another protective layer. B. Choose durable ink. Avoid dye-based ink for anything long-lasting. Instead, go for pigment ink or UV ink, which can retain color for years. C. Laminate your stickers. This is the most important tip to preserve sticker quality. Use glossy or matte lamination to protect from scratches, sunlight, and water. D. Stick away from sunlight. Avoid sticking on areas exposed to direct light like windows, car dashboards, or outdoor gear. E. Clean gently. Use a dry or damp cloth. Never scrub with alcohol or harsh cleaners. 3. Storing unused stickers. Keep them in Ziploc bags in a cool, dry place. Don't bend or stack heavily to avoid peeling or curling. 4. Pro tips for extending sticker life. Use UV protective spray or clear coat spray for added protection. Stick on smooth surfaces only, not fabric or textured items. When peeling off, do it gently and slowly. 5. Final thoughts. Maintaining color stickers is simple with the right materials and care. A beautiful sticker isn't just about how it's printed, but how it's preserved. If you found this video helpful, hit like, leave a comment, and subscribe to the channel for more DIY, printing, and design tips.